The Supreme Court justices issued a decision today that leaves the fate of President Trump's plan to end birthright citizenship uncertain. In a 6-3 ruling, the justices limited federal courts from making decisions to block policies nationwide.
The majority agreed that those lower federal courts overstepped their authority. But the opposing justices say this, in their words, an open invitation for the government to ignore the Constitution. 10 News reporter Lauren Lovett spoke with political science experts about the High Court's decision and the implications. Lauren?
Brittany, Robin, the three experts I talked with today say national injunctions have been a big source of controversy for both political parties. They say it's a big win for the Trump administration and future presidents, and that there will be a lot of challenges filed against the order over these next 30 days. Courts have blocked parts of President Trump's agenda more than 40 times since he began his second term in January.
His administration would very much like to put out more executive orders and have them be the law of the land nationwide. The injunctions were stopping all that.
Maryville College professor Mark O'Gorman says now that power is gone, and people will have to file individual or class action lawsuits to challenge the order in court.
It hasn't been decided, but the door is has been pushed wider. Certainly gives President Trump a lot of avenues to move forward and try to see if he can make this happen.
O'Gorman and two University of Tennessee professors say the power of the federal district court has been in question for years, despite which party is in power.
If there was ever a case where a nationwide injunction were truly appropriate, something like this that affects every single person born in the United States is really, it seems like the obvious place where it makes the most sense. But certainly the broader debate about how much power lower courts should have before a case is fully litigated, I think is valid.
They say it's likely many challenges will arise against the order, eventually bringing it back to the Supreme Court.
The long-standing interpretation of the 14th Amendment is that it requires birthright citizenship. There have been some who've argued that there's this one particular phrase, subject to the jurisdiction thereof, which actually means that those who are not here lawfully, that they are somehow excluded from that language.
Trump's executive order will go into effect in 30 days in all states that have not already challenged the order. All three experts say how things move forward could be very telling for future orders challenging constitutional rights. Brittany, Robin.
Lauren, thank you.